Stepsons, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bed sheets. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on a bunk bed because that's what I have available. But your bed might just be a regular twin bed that doesn't have something on the top. That's actually easier. If it's pushed up against the wall as the bunk bed is, then that's a little bit more work, but I'm going to show you how to deal with that too. Alright, here's how you do it. One thing that I found is easier, if you're a big enough kid, just take the mattress right out. It's easier to work with. Pull it out, flip it up, and then you can take the sheet off. If you're not, and you're smaller, well then you can climb on, pull the corner up, and lift the sheet off. This goes in the clothes hamper. I haven't made the video on doing laundry yet, but stay tuned because that's coming. Once you've got that off, you may have a mattress cover. That needs to be washed, great. If not, you're good to go. The next step is to put on a new sheet. There's different sizes of beds. This is a twin, meaning it's for one person basically. You have this one and that one would be next to each other. Those would be twin beds. When it comes to sheets, there's two types of sheets. There's a fitted sheet and a flat sheet. The fitted sheet is the one that has the elastic around the edges. That goes on first. The flat sheet goes on next. If it's a solid color, just put it on. This one has a pattern. If I want my head to be up here, then I'm going to want the pattern to be up this direction. For those of you that don't want to take the mattress off, I'm going to do this with the mattress in there. It's a lot easier to pull the mattress off and just put it on. But if you can't do that for whatever reason, you climb in and do the hardest corner to get to first. So for me, that's that one and then this one. The outside corners are easier to get to, so you do those last. I'm pulling the top corner to put it over the mattress. And I do lift the corner of the mattress up a little bit and tuck that down in. Now it's just the front corners, and they're the easy ones. Lift it up, tuck it in to make sure it's on there nice and smooth. The next easiest and the last one is here, and we want to pull so the elastic part of the sheet is underneath the edge of the mattress. Now I'm in good shape. Just for fun, let me show you if you were to pull the mattress off. If you can, makes it a lot easier. Next comes the flat sheet. The flat sheet has a pattern in this case. Lion King, one of the best movies ever. This side looks like the side you don't want to use, and this side's the printed side that you want to see. You actually put the side that you want to be visible facing the fitted sheet. On the fitted sheet, there's a little hem that's just that wide, and there's a thick side that usually indicates the top of the sheet. That's counterintuitive because it looks like we're putting it upside down when we put it on that way, but I'll show you how it ends up. I like to have the top edge an inch or so from the top of the mattress. There's some drawers underneath this bunk bed, so I don't want it to be more than even like that, which means I'm going to have to put most of the extra sheet towards the wall side. And we can either tuck it under the mattress or hang it down on the wall side. All the extra goes to the back. If you lift up the mattress a little bit, then you pull all of that extra underneath. This is probably the biggest challenge because you're on the bed and you're trying to make the bed while you're on the bed. Come back by the wall, lift it up. Okay. And now this part we tuck underneath the back side. So now we've got the bottom of the sheet tucked in, tucked the flat sheet in and pulled it as far as you can this way so that it's tucked under the mattress. Now what do you do with this? Well, you pick up about here, pull it up, and then tuck this under as well. So that when it's done, if it comes down like that, kind of has a nice little edge to it like that. We got to come back up and straighten up here, and especially on the wall side, get it to fall down between either the wall or on the frame of the bunk bed in this case. In keeping with the theme, we have a Lion King bedspread slash blanket. In this case, you do put the top towards the top. So here's my pattern. It goes this way. Like the sheet, put it on, put this where you want it, based on the height here and the height by the front first. Pull it down this way. You do the same thing you did with the sheet, other than this lies on the top. You don't have to tuck this all the way underneath. You just want it flat when it's done. I'm just shoving this down between the bed and the wall. This is more work than I remember it. Tuck this underneath, and in this case I am going to kind of just bunch it up so that when we're done it's flat on top. Pull it so it's good and snug and flat. Now we just need the pillow. I got the Pocahontas pillow cover. I gotta go get Lion King. Lion King. Put the tag on the pillow down, put it under your chin, bring it up from the bottom. That way the tag is on the inside and it's not dangling out the pillowcase. And then you're done. Now you know how to change the sheets on a bed. Make sure you do it at least once in a while, so you're not sleeping in dirty sheets. Forgot to show you why we put the flat sheet with the pattern going the opposite direction than the fitted sheet. When you fold your sheets down to get in, well then you'll notice that the pattern is actually the same orientation as the pattern of the fitted sheet. That's why the top of the flat sheet seems to be the bottom of the flat sheet until you put it down and use it and fold it back. If you're on the journey to manhood, remember this one is on the self-discipline track under the chores chart. This would be a basic chore, something you should do on a regular basis. If you don't make your bed every day when you get up, well, make sure you watch this video because that'll show you how to do that. And always remember that you can still succeed even though your dad may not be in your daily life. And you do have a dad that loves you because I love you. And I'll see you on the next video.